no real place to stay. Is this the future? And where I'm gonna be? Last night it hit me when I had this crazy dream. I'm waking up in your house on a San Francisco street. We tune out all the nasty weather, and it's something funny, you and me. You were intriguing, just looking at a magazine. Like when I first saw you back in 2003. Then you walked over and said you don't have to be alone. I don't have a crystal ball, there's no way that it